guys, so this is room 2474 on the Carnival Vista. So if you're planning on sailing on Carnival Vista, this is the room tour of an ocean view on deck 2. Okay, so as you can see, it's a really long hallway, and you come right through this hallway. You have your closets on the left. A lot of space. There's 2. This is where your mirror is on this first one. Closet space here as well. Closet space here, and your safe and everything like that. This is your desk. This is your mirror right here. Like I said, you have all your desk and everything. Your phone, your water, everything that you would need. They have 3 shelves here for anything you want to store. They do have a stool down here. There is the fridge, and this fridge did get cold or cooler, whichever one, but this one got cold. So I had water all in here, but I've drunk it all up. And then you have your dryer here. And as we come back this way, you see this bed is made up. We have, normally it would be a couch, but we have a bed because we have a third person here, which is my baby girl Chloe. So they made that into a bed. You have your little stand where you can put your towels or whatever you want. Some storage right here. And this is the carpet though in the family harbor room. So this is a family harbor room. I forgot to also say that. This is a family harbor room on deck 2. And so the carpet is different in these rooms. It's like these striped red, blue, and white color. And that's the hallway going back to the room and the door. Now, we do have 2 bathrooms. So we have a bathroom here, which is, it has a tub. So if you have kiddos who want to take a tub, you can do it here. And it also is a shower in here as well. So if you want to take a shower, you could. And it still has all your shower gel and shampoo. Has your shower head and everything. But you can, like I said, take a bath here in this one. It does have a mirror and a sink. So yeah, 2 bathrooms is always better than one. It has a garbage can down here, tissue. It has some storage, shelving right here. And it also has a mirror here. One of these magnifying mirrors. So that's that bathroom. And moving to the second bathroom, which is right here, or I could say the first bathroom. This is your main bathroom, where it has your regular shower that you know and love or hate, depending on if you like shower curtains. I don't really like shower curtains, but hey, it is what it is. It still does the job. Like I said, they have their shower head here as well. They have your Family Harbor products here. They do have the zip line. So if you want to hang your clothes and dry them, you can do that. And have it's just your standard bathroom here, you know. Toilet. It's just enough space. It's not crazy big, but it's doable. I will say these, I don't know, they may have more room than the other ones, but you have shelves, 3 shelves on this side and the mirror, and then you have 3 shelves on this side as well. You have your sink, a lot of counter space here, tissue, and you have your garbage can down there at the end. So they also have, let me show you, they have 3 door, sorry, they have 3 hooks on the bathroom. All right, heading out into the bed. It's a nice size bed here. You do have a side table here. The lamp, that's the lighting right here. There's no USBs on this, nothing, no type of USB ports. There is a storage drawer right underneath it, yeah, little storage drawer there. There's a light right above the headboard to control the lighting of the whole room. There's the goodbye towel animal. It's our sea turtle. Nice. It has a nice TV right here on the wall. It's a good amount of space right here to walk through. And then you have your window, your ocean view window, which is really nice because it has a lot of space right here. So if you have stuff you want to put on here, you can. If you want to sit on here and hang out and chill out, you can, and watch the ocean. It's a great view. We're here in Celebration Key. So again, this is deck 2. So yes. So this is deck 2. Let me show you the other part. Now, this is the other lamp, which is the exact same on the other side. There are no USBs. There's just lighting right here, and then there is a drawer. Curtains, of course. And that is pretty much the room. Let me just give you a quick overview of how it looks. And again, this is room 2474, Family Harbor Room. And again, if you do book one of these rooms, you do have access to the kids club. And the kids club, you can, you have access to the Family Harbor Lounge, and where you can eat breakfast and stuff like that. You can eat breakfast. It's really convenient. And then also, if you do have the Family Harbor room, if you do have kids with you, then you can go up to the Camp Ocean, and they give you 1 complimentary day free for night owls, so that you can pay. You don't have to pay the fee if you want to have your kid stay in the night owls, which is 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. So you get 1 night free for your kids for the night owls from 10 to 1 a.m. So it's pretty cool, pretty nice. I do like this room. I have stayed in interior Family Harbor rooms, but I do like this room. So if you guys are planning on booking one of these rooms, let me know. Let me know if you stayed in one of these rooms. But this is pretty much it, guys, and thank you for watching. Make sure you check out all of my other videos on Carnival Vista, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.